Hi there, this is Mrs. Zonin, the media specialist at Pope, and I just want to show you how to log into Clever. So this is from the student perspective. You are just going to go up here to log in as a student, and I am just on clever.com. And then right here where you search for your school, you're just going to put in Pope High School and make sure that you get this one in Cobb County. And you are going to log in with Active Directory. And then for you, it will show your student login. You'll put in your first name dot last name at students.cobbk12.org and your password, just like you do for CTLS and Office 365, and that will get you logged in. Because I am a teacher, it's populating the teacher account information instead. But this is where you will go. It's just clever.com. Click on login as a student, look for Pope High School, and then log in with Active Directory, and that should get you going. If you're having any issues, just reach out and let me know. Have a good day.